The number one reason why you can't make your first dollar online is because of the 5 stages in behavioral changes. Understanding all 5 stages will allow you to break free and avoid falling for these traps. The first stage is uninformed optimism. This is when you discover a new business model and some YouTuber or friend is hyping it up. Imagine your mate comes up to you and says, "Yo bro, I just found a sick business model and it made me $1,000 and it's called dropshipping." You probably would feel a rush of excitement and you'd be wanting to try it out. When you get home after a long day, you'd open up your computer and start watching videos on dropshipping. All the YouTubers are hyping it up and you think to yourself, this is it, the final business model, it will get me rich. Days go by and you're finally ready to start running paid ads. Slowly, the number of visitors to your website goes up and up. You've reached 600 visitors now, but no sales. When you Google how many visitors per average sale, you realize that you should have gotten 6 sales by now. Now you realize the effort that you need to put into to make this business model work. You have reached the second stage of the business cycle, informed pessimism. In this stage, you realize the actual effort and hard work you need to succeed in that business model and the stuff that YouTubers don't talk about. So you decide to lock in and keep working for a few weeks. After a few weeks, you launch a new product. This time it gets a sale. Suddenly you're filled with excitement, only to realize that your parents bought it just to motivate you. Now you reach the third stage of the cycle, crisis of meaning. This is where you start to realize why everyone isn't rich, and your brain starts to question whether it's worth it to continue this business. This is where winners are made. Most people just quit here and pursue another business because their friend or influencer told them how the grass is greener on the other side and how it's easier. Most people quit their current business to pursue a so-called easier business model, only to start the cycle again and go back to the uninformed optimism stage. But you're not like them and you keep pushing. Even though your brain is against you and is telling you why you shouldn't do it, you show it who's boss and you keep pushing. A few weeks pass by and you finally got your first real sale, and you figure out exactly what you need to do to scale this business and get rich. You finally reach the informed optimism stage, which not many people reach because they all give up in the crisis of meaning stage. Now that you know what you need to do, you take action and rewrite your future.